problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me.
Hola mis amores, welcome back. Super excited to be sharing with you guys this Easter Dollar Tree DIYs. I hope you love them as much as I do, and let's begin. All the materials that I use for this project are from Dollar Tree. First, I place 3 of the darkest flowers together, then bend the top of the stems and attach them together using floral wire. Now I'm placing these 3 under the other flowers and attaching them together the same way. Just make sure that each time you place a different set of flowers, you place them a little bit lower than the last. So showing you from the back, this is how you want to place each flower stem to give it the carrot shape. Each stem goes lower than the one before. I don't have any floral tape, so I'm using regular tape, but since it's too bright, I had to paint it just a little bit lighter. For the greenery, I just bend it to the side a little bit and then insert it inside the flowers. I then made 2 bows using Dollar Tree ribbon, and I'm going to glue both of them to one side using hot glue. And finally, to hang it, I just made a hanger using Dollar Tree twine. Before we go to the next DIY, I wanted to let you know that today's video it's a super fun collab with these talented ladies. In the description box down below, you'll find the link to jump to the next video in the hub. Don't forget to check it out once you're done watching this video. All of this super cute fairy garden decor is from Dollar Tree. I'm only using the 3 big ones. For this little shop, I'm using orange and green paint, but first I painted those areas with a white chalked paint to have a base to paint on. The little ears I'm going to be gluing on top of the donut are from this Easter DIY bunny kit I already had, and it's also from Dollar Tree.
You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking it,
These super cute bunny stickers are from Hobby Lobby.
and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time.
For the chocolate on top, I use brown paint. It looks like I'm pouring a lot of paint, but I'm not. If you pour too much paint, it will drip all the way down and get bubbles, plus it will take a really long time to dry. Now, if you want to use a lot more paint that I did, you can also mix the brown paint with a glossy Mod Podge and just pour it on top, instead of doing it with just paint. I then painted little white lines to imitate sprinkles, and then I went on top of them with the colors I want them to be. I used the same colors that I've used for these DIYs.
To start the rebuilding of life, the roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.
Now, you can change the name of your shop to any name you want. I decided to leave mine as a cake shop. To create the cherry, I'm using one of these beads from Dollar Tree. And made the little top with a little piece of twine. And finally, I decided to paint some little carrots on the bottom, and I'm also going to paint the door.
This morning has so clear a light as any.
For the last DIY, I got the super big painting sticks from Home Depot. There were 3 for 98 cents. I'm going to glue 8 sticks together using wood glue. And on the back, I'm going to glue craft sticks using wood glue and hot glue.
And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rage.
Now, to make the sign look older and give it more dimension, I went on top with chalk. Then wipe it down with a dry paper towel. I then sanded the edges with a sandpaper. For this wooden bunny that I found at Dollar Tree, I'm using the wood stain. Now I'm painting white all the Dollar Tree wooden letters I'll be using for this DIY. Now I'm gluing the letters and the bunny with hot glue. And now for the little headband, I got these flowers from Dollar Tree, and I'm also using some greenery from Walmart. Okay, mis amores, thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you all so much, and I miss crafting so much. So happy to be back, and I will see you soon. Bye!